So let's make this beautiful DIY at home. To make this, here we have taken a box. We are going to attach all the rolls, boxes and containers on it. We have cut this cardboard piece. We're going to attach this like this using glue gun. After this, we are going to cover the hole with wall putty dough. Cover everything with wall putty dough and let it dry. Like this, we have made some pebbles also with wall putty only. Now we are going to paint it using black paint like this. So this has dried. Now we are going to give some copper shade using sponge, and we have also made this Buddha. We have tried to make this at home, and we're going to keep the incense like this. Firstly, we are going to use this one, but we're going to reuse it for the next DIY. Keep watching. Like this, you can see it has started coming out. So let's move ahead. So now we are going to use this one. For this, I am firstly going to apply a layer of gesso on it, let it dry. Then I have taken these old coins, 10 paisa, 2 paisa coins, and painted with golden and give some detailing also. So now I have taken this CD and applied a layer of gesso on it, painted black like this. Keep the laughing Buddha on it, stick it using glue gun and attach all the coins on it. So for more detailing, I have given this some red line. Thank you for watching.